Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by importing your footage and choosing the correct project resolution and frame rate. Pick 10-bit export if your device supports it to preserve color depth. Once done, duplicate the original clip as a safety copy and hide it so you can always revert. Make sure to set the color profile to linear or retain original. This prevents contrast clipping when you push highlights. You'll start with raw, layered footage ready for tone mapping and selective corrections. Now you will create the HDR look by first adding a curve and a levels effect. Pull midtones up slightly while gently lowering the uppermost highlights to preserve detail. Then apply an HDR-style LUT, or, if you prefer control, adjust HSL. Increase saturation selectively in 10-25% ranges and shift blues/teals for skies. Add a duplicate layer with screen or overlay at low opacity to boost perceived brightness. Finish by adding a subtle sharpening or detail effect to emphasize texture, keeping radius low so you don't amplify noise. Then render using a high-quality codec, HEVC/H. 265 with 10-bit color and a high bitrate will retain the HDR look. Use a linear or wide color profile if available. If you notice banding or posterization, add light noise/dither or reduce extreme contrast. Alternatively, re-export in a higher bit depth. If colors look off, recheck layer blend opacities and LUT intensity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.